Really very insightful there.
Absolutely. And today we are also acknowledging and saluting all, the difficulties that the staff in the medical sector are facing when it comes to the tireless work they're doing to take care of us and also keep us safe during this COVID-19 pandemic.
It's been a difficult time and lots of pressure on them, absolutely, without a doubt. Now, recently, a heroic effort by Stellenbosch Unite was coordinated to deliver 991 care packages to workers in the city's public and private healthcare facilities. And head coordinator of Stellenbosch Unite, Jean-Marie Momberg, who is also the CEO of Visit Stellenbosch, joins Expresso via video call now to share more about what went into putting this profound gesture together. Jean-Marie, good morning.
Good morning to you. Thank you very much for having me.
Such fantastic work you guys are doing.
Absolutely. I want to say thank you very much for what you're doing. And I think, one of the most amazing and also just the heartwarming developments of the COVID-19 pandemic is just witnessing and being part of how people are really rallying to provide for those who are really heavily impacted by the crisis. Maybe you can tell us a bit more about how Stellenbosch Unite all came about and came together.
Yes, so it all happened literally the week after lockdown in March last year. We realized that there would be a big demand for food. And then we formed this collaborative effort between the Stellenbosch municipality, Stellenbosch University, NGO sector, and then civil society, which was in that case presented represented by Visit Stellenbosch, the official tourism organization of the town. And within a week, we could start with the distribution of our food parcels. And in total, up to the end of last year, we've collected 6 million rand in donations, and that we use to distribute food parcels, no less than 37,000 food parcels. We have distributed 700,000 food portions to destitute families in Stellenbosch. And then we also had a voucher scheme where we distributed 9,000 vouchers to needy people. So really it was a remarkable effort of the town of Stellenbosch, how they came together to help the citizens, their fellow citizens in need.
I think what we're seeing here, Jean-Marie, is the power of the people and the power of rallying people who come together for a good cause. But the question then is, how were the people of Stellenbosch able to come into the initiative and help support the initiative? What was some of the ways that you were able to sort of get them involved?
Yes, so when we decided now to move our focus to the care packages and help to just acknowledge the fantastic work that our health workers are doing, but also to acknowledge the pressure that they are under and working under these extremely difficult conditions. We were so fortunate that we already had this network of people supporting Stellenbosch Unite that we could rely on and that we could ask to not only give to the frontline workers, but also to everyone in the medical fraternity that plays a role. So in this, we not only gave care parcels to the frontline health workers, but also to the security guards, the kitchen workers, the clinic workers, the field workers. Hence our 991 packages that we distributed over the past 2 weeks.
I love it.
Jean-Marie, I want to say again, thank you so much for all the work that you're doing, also for the Stellenbosch community and the Stellenbosch Unite. Again, what Thabisa says, it's just so important to see what can be done, the power of bringing people together to rally and to support people in a time like this. So again, thank you to you and the community for all that you're working, for the work that you are doing to support everyone in a crisis like this.
Yeah, it is a real privilege to be part of a project of this magnitude, and then to get the thanks from the health workers, telling how much the note of encouragement, because in every care parcel we made sure that there was a note of encouragement and gratitude, and how much they really appreciate it, and how they were telling us that it really gives them hope going forward, and energize them for the road ahead.
Well, you can certainly check out more information that the work is being done there at Stellenbosch Unite, at Stellenbosch Unite on social media. This goes to show that there is help out there. And if you are going through a tough time, you are never alone. If you can do something, do something.